Hello, I'm Nalini Mahadevan. I'm the principal attorney at MLO Law LLC, and we are located in Clayton. And today I'm talking about Dynasty Trust. So we have several estate planning clients who come to us, sent by their financial planners, who tell them get Dynasty Trusts. And there's a lot of confusion about what dynasty trusts are. So I'm just here to give you the bird's eye view of what a dynasty trust would be, and for you to think about it a little bit in your own space and to discuss with your financial planner and your lawyer. So basically what it really is, what it says, dynasty trust means you can pass on your assets from generation to generation, and you can, pass it down the line so you can, keep benefiting your grandchildren and great grandchildren and so on. And there is a lot of tax planning that can be done through a dynasty trust, and especially now it seems to be a good environment to do it in, because the estate plan tax exemption limit is so high. It's over 12 million for an individual and 24 million for spouses, married couples. So I think it's a very good time to do it in. So what's the difference between when I say I'm going to be doing a revocable living trust and I'm going to be doing a dynasty trust? So the first difference is, of course, the revocability of the trust. So a revocable living trust that's what it is. You can change it during your lifetime anytime you want. But on the other hand, a dynasty trust is irrevocable. That means once you set the terms of the trust, they cannot be changed at will. Of course, the Missouri trust code and many states' trust code allow changes to be made even to irrevocable trusts. But if you do that, there could be other income tax and other ramifications that you want to talk also with your CPA about as well. So the Dynasty Trust is a great asset protection trust, because it is not a trust in which you give children or grandchildren a distribution at ages, which is kind of a normal thing that we do. Instead, what you say is that the trustee has all the discretion in the world whether to distribute anything from the trust or not. So when you're distributing from the trust or not, then it's the trustee does not have to distribute if there is an event like a divorce or a bankruptcy or creditors or any other kind of event. Maybe the child gets into a lifestyle that the parents don't like, things like that. Or grandchild does the same, and those kinds of powers are given to the trustee to say, I'm not going to distribute to you. So that trust cannot be attacked. So what happens, a dynasty trust, when I say it's a irrevocable trust, it's also not a grantor trust. That means it's no longer included in the estate of the grantor. So then the trustee becomes a third-party trustee. And so maybe some of the cons I would say is you can't be drafting this in every state. You can't be some of the states that are very friendly are Alaska, the Dakotas, and as well as Nevada. And if you're interested in this kind of trust, please call our office. We will be able to assist you with that. In short, it's a good asset protection. The estate exemptions, tax from estate exemption tax is very high, but income tax can be minimized because you're now distributing to children or grandchildren who are not in a lower income tax bracket. And so, but it also means you don't have any control over the assets, and you'd also do not have to file tax returns reflecting the fact that these assets are no longer under your control or in your estate. with all these things in mind, I hope this video gives you a good idea of what a dynasty trust is. In our next video, we'll talk about generation skipping trusts and generation skipping taxes. Stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel, YouTube channel. We are also available on LinkedIn, and you can follow us on Twitter, and you can like us on Facebook, so that we post a lot of matters and information about estate planning in our office. Our practice areas are, like we said, estate planning and immigration. Thank you very much for watching. And our phone number is 314-932-7111. Our website is mlolawllc.us. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Very nice talking to all of you.